So I've never did a video of this one either. This is kind of crappy light. This is my little Windsor 14-inch box van. Model C14. Can't really see it. It's still the freaking light I got in here. But it's on the wall. It's kind of dirty, really. But I have oiled it. I keep the motor cleaned off and knocked the dirt off the blade edges. But it's actually in really good shape if I just clean it up. But it gets a workout pretty much every night. Picked this up at the flea or antique mall, where I got that that little Hassock fan, the Kisco, and then the where I saw the burnt Westinghouse. But I gave a little much for it. Definitely by no means eBay price, but yeah, it's a little bit of a pinch. But it works real good. Other than I do notice about this thing is, since it's got the 12-inch blade spider and hub assembly, the blades do have a tendency to I guess deflect. Like the tips are going like that. Like you can see it if you look right here, but do a quick fire up of it. Do it low first. Medium. Like it's on the wall around the house. I'm on the wall behind it. Well, you can't really hear it. I've been giving it a break. I've been running this at night. I guess, yeah, it's a 223. Yeah, 223. Kind of funny thing is, the little guy pushes about the same amount of air as the big one. The big one does spread it out more, but the thing that sucks right now is I'm sitting basically lined up where I sleep in the bed, and it's off to my right. This one here is right in front of me, but it's on the wall because the cat would knock it over, get behind it. He likes, I guess, feeling the air flying by him. That's why I got this lovely leopard keychain tethered on it to keep the damn cat from knocking it over. So anyways, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.